Okay, so in this slide, what we're doing is starting the conversation about how upwelling works, and we're showing how divergent currents can be formed. Um, what this slide is pointing to is something that's called the meteorological equator rather than the geographical equator. You can see that the meteorological equator is located just above the 0 degree geographical equator. And that little blue line there that I've put in to represent it is actually in between, or very close to being in between, the northeast winds and southeast trade winds. So even though the meteorological equator is north of the geographical equator, Mr. Coriolis isn't aware of that. So even though we have winds that are slightly offset from what we know as the 0 degrees based on the center of the Earth's mass, we have winds that are actually blowing across that 0 degrees towards the meteorological equator. So since we have those winds blowing across that boundary, we're actually going to generate opposite rotations on either side of the geographical equator from the same winds.